Welcome. Today, let's walk through how to save a new contact to your Gmail account with these updated steps. To begin, on your Android phone, locate the new contact you want to save and tap on it. Once you have the contact open, look for the option to Add to Contacts and tap on it. Next, tap on Create New Contact to start creating a new entry for the contact you're adding. At the top of the screen, you'll see a down arrow icon. Tap on it to access more options. From the drop-down menu, select the Gmail account where you want to save this new contact. This ensures that the contact is synced with your Gmail account for easy access across devices. Once you've selected the Gmail account, fill in the contact details as needed. When you're done, tap on the Save button located at the bottom of the screen to save the new contact to your Gmail account. Following these steps, you can efficiently save a new contact to your Gmail account, ensuring that your contacts are organized and accessible whenever you need them. Syncing your contacts with your Gmail account simplifies contact management and ensures that your information is always up to date. Saving new contacts to your Gmail account is a convenient way to keep your contacts in one central location and easily accessible from any device. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in smoothly saving new contacts to your Gmail account. Keep your contacts synced and organized with these simple steps.